Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Sparta Gamma remix on CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new project. You'll want to import your desired audio track, which will be the foundation of your remix. Then, bring in any video clips or images you plan to use. Make sure your project's aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube, is set correctly for your final output. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now, let's get that audio perfectly synced. Listen closely to your Sparta Gamma track and identify the strong beats and vocal accents. CapCut has a fantastic beat marking tool. Use it to place markers directly on the timeline. These markers will serve as guides for cutting and placing your video clips. Aim for precise alignment, ensuring every visual change hits exactly on the beat for maximum impact. This step is key to a dynamic remix. With your audio and video synced, it's time to add some visual flair. CapCut offers a wide array of effects. Consider using shake, glitch, or flash effects to emphasize beat drops. For transitions, opt for quick cuts or subtle wipes that maintain the fast pace. Don't forget to play with speed ramps, perhaps slowing down a clip for a moment before speeding it up again. You can also reverse certain segments for a unique, eye-catching look. These elements will make your remix truly stand out. You're almost there. Before exporting, watch your entire remix from start to finish. Look for any misaligned clips, awkward transitions, or audio inconsistencies. Pay close attention to your audio mix. Ensure the music is clear and any sound effects are well balanced. Once you're satisfied, head to the export settings. Choose a high-resolution option, like 1080 pixels or 4K, and a suitable frame rate, such as 30 or 60 frames per second, for the best quality. Then share your creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.